and the bulls wrestled the leadership away from the bears once again. So what we've seen today is a recovery taking the market above yesterday's high, and also a second day where the market has managed to close above the resistances of that congestion zone that we were speaking of 17,800 thereabouts. As Nigel mentioned, it's a very powerful move. 1,000 points from the 20th of March when we had made those lows of around 16,820 odd, and a pretty widespread move. Though, of course, today it was led largely by banks. A stunning move really by the bank Nifty, almost 1.5% higher. But overall this week we've seen a lot of buying in autos that continued even today. So some of your top leaders include names across financial, healthcare and auto. IndusInd Bank in pole position, 2.5% up. HDFC Life, Eicher Motors, Apollo Hospitals. There is Axis Bank, Bajaj Finserv. So a lot of these names more than making up for the decline that we've seen on the IT side of the screen. Now, by the way, Infosys very nervous ahead of those numbers, down 3% as we're getting towards the closing bell, guys.
Well, that's right. Surabhi, and from the broader markets, there were plenty that did very, very well. Small Finance Bank was the star of the day, was up close to around 16%. And a couple of other names as well did pretty well. TVS Motors, one of the most expensive stocks from the two-wheeler space, or the most expensive, but they're giving growth. They're making good amount of penetration, increasing their exports as well. The street likes that, so that one was up close to around 2%. The other couple of gainers included the likes of TVS Motors. You had Union Bank, RBL Bank, both of them did well. On the flip side, some of the stocks that did very well yesterday, they gave back some losses today. So Lotus Labs was under some pressure. You had PFC as well, that was down a little bit. Emphasis as well did come with some profit taking, and Shoba as well. But you have to say, what a good session it was. 9 straight sessions, winning streak.
Absolutely. A good session minus technology, right? It would have been a lot better if IT had also participated, but the Nifty IT index ended with a cut of 2%. Right, that's the kind of underperformance. And large caps, of course, sold off, but even mid cap, LTI Mindtree down nearly 4%, Persistent was down 3.5%, Emphasis, Cyient, Birla Soft, across the board, you had steep losses. So it was a tale of two cities. IT on the way down, banks on the way up, but the banks prevailed and the markets rallied on to close higher for the 9th consecutive day. There goes the bell, and it's a close above 17,800, and the Sensex as well, closing above 60,400. It's a wrap on Closing Bell from the entire team. Thank you for watching. We get you our Thursday special. Big deal. Stay tuned.